Slick back.
No, slick back.
That's what I said. Slick back.
No, nigga, I'm a pimp named Slick Back. Pimp named Slick Back. Pimp named
Slick back.
Nigga, are you deaf? I'm a pimp named Slick.
Hello, my name is Agustini. I will answer video part 1 this global pandemic. Global pandemic, the number is now more than 17 million cases of COVID-19 worldwide. The US report more than 2,000 deaths, surpassing Italy as the country with the highest death toll with the most facilities. And in every country, local governments are making decisions about reopening schools and church service. This Holy Weekend, Jennifer Johnson report as America become the world's largest victim of COVID-19. Government officials continued to play with city to stay home, but on this Holy Weekend, there was debate between states over allowing people to attend religious service. At least 8 states allowed people to gather Easter Sunday, including Florida, which the government continues to preach social distancing, and we say stay away from crowds, stay home as much as possible, because you can be careful. Parking lots patrolling and license plates recording, enforcing a 15-day quarantine, but in most of the country, pews in city big and small will be empty, faithfully looking for help only online. In New York City, mayor has decided to suspend the remainder of the school year. In the large district mayor, it was literally a painful decision to close our school because we were afraid at the time that we would be able to bring them back. Schools are expected to reopen this year in September. Lawmakers and educators have learned a lesson about how dangerous COVID-19 could be. Jennifer Global New Johnson, Washington, major country already in crisis, weak economy, fragile health service system, and food shortage. As mentioned, reports COVID-19 will likely cause more death and destruction in this part of the world. Developed country like Uganda, COVID-19 tends to be more devastating than ever in Italy, Spain, or New York. Weak health care system, poor sanitation, and cramped living conditions could possibly contribute to a higher death rate. This country only have a few ventilators, but Leon does have an advantage. Is lesson learned from the 2015 Ebola outbreak, but is a position where communication is easy, but many developing countries don't have that traumatic memory, and as the virus grows more resistant, the only warning they have are the grim stories that are unfolding at Global News right now. Shannon, West London. As we keep you informed about COVID-19, Donna Friesen will hold a special program on Sunday night. That's what is called the new reality coronavirus. And then solution this topic. The solution to wearing a mask. Everyone flying to the United States from other country needs to get tested before they get on the plane, before leaving, and quarantine when they arrive in America. Increasing industrial output of vaccines and other medical supplies. Topic number 2. I read this letter which was sent by the teacher in short to the national newspaper. It said it teach history in secondary school, and one of my students got the highest mark for the school exam, so I told him it was great how you prepared for this, and to his surprise, he said I never studied books. Now this is the easy job you can get because we are like most of them, but 35 years ago it was very difficult. Even worse, I was classified, and I'm not kidding, classified as less capable job seeker, years 25 years old, so they give me a chance to retrain and become a computer expert. Is almost ironic is in I don't that idea, but given the circumstance, I tried, and I'm glad I did because look how technology has changed our society over the last 25 years. Like those years have really changed the way we live and the way we work is and destroying entire industry like the telecommunication industry. You remember telephone are very ancient. This is done, and remember very ancient is, for example the music industry. As a student, I used to buy music record. Remember those round things you put in needles, and playing music is so old-fashioned. 25 years ago it cost me a lot of money, and today I have all songs in the world available on my smartphone, and I can use the same technology to create my own song and podcast and share them with the world. No, never ask this to become like this world famous. So this is what technology does. You need query and over in completely new why that's what it does, but I also changed the resolution of what all we think record music and its music store. So see, this is what the redefinition of education is now. If you look at the way education is managed today, school honestly pretty much look the same as they did 25 years ago, and they more or less look like factories. Solution this topic. 1. Increase awareness of the importance of technology. 2. Provide insight into why digital transformation is necessary. 3. Socialize about the technology that will be used. 4. Prepare a team that is ready for digitalization. 5. Guidance and training on the digitalization process. Topic number 3 or video number 3. MIT is known for developing many impressive technology, but hidden in the kitchen of MIT is Media Lab. Perhaps my favorite MIT invention, FortCam. FortCam is post photo to Twitter, Slack, and a mailing list, all with a simple message: come and get it. This looks like a pretty nice donut box. Yeah, here it looks delicious under FODCAM. That's right. Getting food can actually be very competitive. By the time we got here, just 30 seconds after it was placed, Will and John created FODCAM all the way back in 19. This was before Facebook, before Gmail, before social media as we know it. The idea came from the remains of an extensive building problem, and in some ways this discovery addressed the whole problem of food waste. Simple, I mean it's kind of a serious part of what you've done right. The problem, there is no doubt that this really helps reduce food waste in the laboratory. Almost all catering people know that if they have spare food from their event, they can just press a button and people will consume the food. And it's not even the Media Lab, even that's now fueling FODCAM. When we imagine things that hurt our planet, what do we think about? We think of like some smoke takes car, oil spill. You see Sabantara. This is something Jill Horst saw at UC Santa Bantara. You have tried that is 14 by 18 inch and you feel the need to load it with food. You will see a student who has 4 glasses, water, juice, soda, milk, and you will go to the return tray and they will leave still full. The dining room stop using trays. Students can take as much food as they want, but there are no trays to stack it on. Shopia will just need to find people who need it. That's the most. Komal is the founder of Shopia. The startup is trying to recover all this very well food. If you imagine the biggest football in the world, the stadium is filled to its absolute dream. That's how much food is wasted per person per day in America. And I'm not talking about last night pad thai or the half-eaten patties this morning, but I don't involve. Solution 1. Bring your own shopping bag. 2. Bring a drink bottle or tumbler. 3. Don't use plastic straw. 4. Avoid buying plastic packaged food and drinks. 5. Recycling plastic waste. Topic number 4. Never before in history have there been so many people on Earth as there are now. The population has skyrocketed from 1 billion in 1800 to billion in 1940, 37 billion. The world's population quadrupled in the last century. So what can we expect for the next century? And what does population growth mean for future? Overcrowd, slum, and mega can't cover entry continents. Population growth reaches unprecedented level, which results in unprecedented level. For people will gather and invite developed country. The legend of overpopulation is born, but it turns out that high birth rate and population explosions are not permanent problem for some culture or country. Rate is part of four-step process that the entry worldwide go through. Demographic transition. Most developed countries have already made the transition, while other countries are doing so now. Let's go back to the 18th country. When the world, including Europa, was in the first stage of the demographic transition by today's standard, Europe was once worse off than developing regions, having poor sanitation, poor quality food, and poor medicine. Many people are born, but many of them die early, making it difficult for the population to grow. Females have 4 to 9 children, but only 2 of them will grow up. Then the Industrial Revolution occurred in England and brought about the greatest change in human living conditions since the agricultural revolution. People began to change from farmers to work. Factory goods were mass produced and become readily available. Science developed and was accompanied by substitution in transportation, communication, and medicine. The role of women in society shifted and created conditions for their emancipation. Slowly, this economic progress not only created a middle class, but also raised living standards and health care for the working poor population, better food supplies, hygiene, and medicine means people will stop dying sooner, especially at a very young age. The result was a population explosion, double the population of England between then. Main reason families used to have many children was that only a few of them might survive. Now that has changed. The third stage of the transition is set in motion. Fewer babies are being conceived and population growth showing. Solution in the topic. 1. Increasing equitable development. 2. Create employment opportunities in sparsely populated area. 3. Carrying out of transmigration program. 4. Implementing nutrient improvement program, one of which is drug Posyandu. 5. Complete health facility and infrastructure. One way is to build community health centers and hospitals. 6. Providing clean air. 7. Increase the number of schools from elementary to tertiary level. 8. Increase the number of education staff at all levels of education.